Alright everyone, I've done the silicone. Now, see that big hole? I'll patch that up. I'm doing the first coat, or I'm cutting in. I'm cutting in with my first coat, and I'll put my bandage. What I do is sort of cut it into strips about that long. I find it easier to manage. If you're ever going to get a leak in a shower, it's around the bottom. I've never come across a shower leaking up here on the internal. There, with niches these days, you could have a little bit of a leak, so you've got to make sure you're waterproof around that properly, because your water can get trapped or sit there and you could get a leak, but never on an internal. I've never known that to happen. Down the bottom, it's a biggie. You must always concentrate on what you're doing. Uh-oh. Concentrate on what you're doing and do it properly. Cool. That's all you do. That's all you do, guys. Very important though, you do it properly. In 2 weeks' time, or 2.5 weeks' time, I'm gonna take a month off and we're off down the Tweed River in a 13 sleeper houseboat, which will be pretty cool. A real family getaway. See how I'm doing this, everyone? That piece is a bit too short, but use it up. Nice. Right, I'll cut some more strips and I'll come back to you.